And but did you guys play in the water today?
Yeah. No, we played in the water park.
In the water park?
And she didn't even cry today.
And didn't cry today.
Wow. It's July 11th.
Okay, that's a good idea.
We're picking up Rachel from daycare.
And now we're going to get a picture.
Did you have a good day?
It's you. There's water splashing all around you. You put, oh, that's a good one. That's you. Be careful with it though.
This is today.
Oh, yeah, you were wet in that picture. And we got to remember to take that suit home so we can
No,
go
actually,
play tomorrow.
this was Tuesday. That,
You'll hold it? Okay. Oh, that's a good one. Daddy.
Can I see it, Rachel?
Daddy's
That's me.
taking a picture of you already right now.
okay, can I
Here we
have
go. Oh, yeah, you got to be very gentle. Miss Karen needs some, Rachel.
Here, you can have this one. How about if I give you... You want that one?
Okay, you want this one?
You like that one? Look at pretty one.
Two.
Alrighty. See you next time.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.